emotional pacing architecture treats an image as an emotional journey rather than a single statement. The philosophy is that viewers don't absorb everything at once. They experience visuals in waves. The actionable insight is designing those waves intentionally, allowing emotion to build, peak, and resolve within a single frame. When pacing is controlled, the image feels deep rather than immediate. This approach borrows from narrative theory without becoming illustrative. By mastering emotional pacing, you create images that unfold over seconds instead of milliseconds.